Xbox Revival, Ultimate Guide to Internal Cleaning revealed. Hi. Do you love your Xbox console so much, and you won't know what to do when it packs up? What if I tell you that this could happen to your Xbox at any time? But don't worry. When you watch these few steps on how to do these few easy things I'm about to show you, you'll be happy your Xbox is back to life and running perfectly. First, let me tell you what happened to my Xbox. I got to my Xbox one evening after a very long and busy day at work. I use my Xbox for everything media and games. When I turned it on, it turned on. It continues to load to the next screen while I go get some water to drink. When I got back, my Xbox had turned on, but there was a problem. The problem was that it didn't load past the green screen. I thought to myself, what is going on here? I said to myself, maybe I just need to restart the Xbox console, and everything will be alright. To cut the long story short, I ran into the same frozen screen all of the 7 times that I restarted my Xbox. Welcome to Unboundverse. Here, we're all about limitless possibilities, unconstrained by boundaries or restrictions. Whether you're a seasoned subscriber or stumbling upon us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you here. Our mission is simple: to entertain, educate, and inspire. Dive into our content and discover a world of limitless possibilities, unconstrained by boundaries or restrictions. There's something for everyone. And if you've been with us since day one, thank you for your unwavering support. Your enthusiasm fuels our creativity and keeps us motivated to deliver the best content possible. But hey, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest uploads. Plus, you'll become part of an incredible community of like-minded individuals who share your passion for limitless possibilities, unconstrained by boundaries or restrictions. Don't worry, it's free, easy, and it only takes a second. So go ahead, click that button and join the Unboundverse family today. Together, we'll embark on an exciting journey filled with laughter, learning, and unforgettable moments. So whether you're here for entertainment, knowledge, or just a good old-fashioned dose of fun, welcome aboard. And remember, the adventure is just beginning. Subscribe now and let's make memories together. So back to the experience I had with my Xbox. I decided to do something I haven't done in a very long time. What did I do? I decided to clean up the internal part of my Xbox. I thought dust could be the problem why my Xbox isn't responding or loading properly. Guess what? You are about to find out if this worked or not. As promised, let's dive into the few steps I followed in cleaning the dust off the internal parts of my Xbox. Cleaning the internal components of an Xbox is an essential maintenance task to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Here are 10 steps to effectively clean the internal parts of an Xbox. 1. Preparation. Before you begin, gather the necessary tools and materials, including a soft brush, compressed air canister, cotton swabs, microfiber cloth, and isopropyl alcohol. 2. Power off. Turn off your Xbox console and unplug it from the power source to avoid any risk of electric shock. 3. Disassembly. Carefully open your Xbox console following the manufacturer's instructions or using guides available online. Take your time and ensure you don't damage any components during disassembly. 4. Remove dust. Use compressed air to blow away dust and debris from the internal components such as the cooling fans, heat sinks, and vents. Hold the canister upright and use short bursts to avoid damaging sensitive parts. 5. Clean fans. Use a soft brush to gently remove dust buildup from the cooling fans. Be thorough but careful not to damage the fan blades. 6. Clean heat sinks. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris trapped in the heat sinks. Ensure they are completely free of obstruction to maintain efficient heat dissipation. 7. Clean circuit boards. Carefully inspect the circuit boards for any dust or dirt buildup. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any debris. Avoid touching the components directly to prevent static discharge. 8. Clean ports and connections. Use a dry cotton swab to clean the ports and connections on the motherboard. If necessary, lightly dampen the swab with isopropyl alcohol to remove stubborn grime. 9. Reassembly. Once you've cleaned all the internal components, Carefully reassemble your Xbox following the disassembly process in reverse order. Ensure all connections are secure and components are properly aligned. 10. Test and monitor. Plug in your Xbox, power it on, and test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Monitor the console for any signs of overheating or unusual noises, which may indicate further maintenance is required. Regularly cleaning the internal components of your Xbox will help maintain optimal performance and prevent issues caused by dust buildup. Make it a part of your routine maintenance schedule to ensure your console stays in top condition for years to come. So there you have it, your Xbox is now fresh and ready to conquer the gaming world once again. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your Xbox running smoothly for years to come. Thanks for joining me on this cleaning journey. Now go ahead, enjoy your gaming sessions with peace of mind. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your gaming gear in top shape. Until next time, happy gaming and may your adventures in the digital realm be as epic as they are clean.